You got to hear me when I say, brethren, watch and pray, because that day is not so far away. Before judgment day comes, when there will be wailing, children screaming, and grown men crying. I see the mothers, they fall for their daughters. Why? 'Cause their daughters, they are only children, bearing young children, bearing young children. You see, they've lost the respect for their grandparents' children. Oh, won't you hear me when I say, my brethren, watch and pray, because that day can't be so far away. Before judgment day comes, when there will be wailing, children screaming, grown men crying. I hear my mother's cry, oh Lord, I hear them cry. Hear them as they're crying. What a tribulation when that day is come. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Give Whoa, where am I? Whoa, where am I? Is this the land of no return? So very far from my home. Won't someone show I the way out of this modern road? Sometimes I sigh and even cry while noticing the hardships around me. The pressures of time, quite a few in this strange land of disunity. Where am I? Where am I? Is this the land of no return? Someone tell me if I am lost. I see no progress here for me. I want to leave here real fast. This really is a strange land. Even my brothers are strangers. I don't want to stay around. Please Jah answer my prayers. Whoa, where am I? Whoa, where am I? Where am I? Whoa,